Okay, so hello and welcome to Engineer Jeremy Tutorials. So let's try answering naman this problem. So wherein we are derivative ng cotangent function. So how are we going to derive if ang given na problem has cotangent na function? So 'di ba? So using derivative formulas, we all know that the derivative of cotan u is equal to negative cosecant squared du. Okay? So, we will use this formula. Again, gagamitin natin ang formula na to to differentiate yung mga function natin kung merong given na cotangent. Okay, so say example. Let's try to find the first derivative of this function if our function has a variable, if our function is equal to cotangent 3 theta divided by 2 theta. Okay, so kung babalikan natin, kung aalalahanin natin, that the derivative of u over v, okay? Yung derivative natin ng quotient. So, the derivative of u over v, so sa mga derivative formulas to, di ba that is equal to v du minus u dv all over v squared. So, di ba derivative to ng quotient fraction, quotient factor. So, kung medyo nalilito dito sa pag-memorize ng formula. So, tandaan ulit natin that the derivative, kung constant yung nasa taas, di ba that is equal to na negative c times derivative of v over v squared. So, dito lang naman kasi yun ang galing, di ba? Kasi kung gagawin natin itong constant yung nasa taas, okay, so say example, ginawa natin yung constant to. So, di ba, ito magiging derivative to ng constant which is equal to 0. So, di ba, magzi-0 yun. So, therefore, ito magiging constant c na yan. Okay, so again, ito magiging v derivative of constant times constant minus dv. So, di ba, magsi-0 na yon. So, ang may iwan is negative c dv minus v squared. So, ito kasing formula na to, dito lang yan ang galing. Okay, so kung tatandaan, kung u ito, okay, so kung function nito, u, so therefore ito is v du minus u dv over v squared. Now, let's try using this formula to answer this problem. So, i-assign natin to as our u is equal to cotangent 3 theta. And yung nandun naman sa baba, ito naman yung v natin, 2 theta. Okay, so kunin natin yan. If our u is equal to cotangent 3 theta, so derive natin. Anong derivative ng cotangent? Sabi natin that derivative of cotangent, so that is equal to negative cosecant squared times u which is 3 theta or ba't may sulatan? Ang u natin dito is 3 theta times kukunin pa natin yung derivative nito. Okay? So the derivative of 3 theta. Okay. So differentiate natin yan. Du is equal to negative cosecant squared 3 theta times derivative of 3 theta with respect to theta. So, diba that is equal to 3. Or simply to say, ito kasi naka with respect to sa theta. Ito rin. Okay? So, kaya to naging 3 lang yung naandyan. Or simply to say that the du is equal to negative 3 cosecant squared 3 theta. Now, kunin naman natin yung v. If our v naman is equal to 2 theta, dv is equal to 2, labas natin yung constant times differentiate theta, to the theta. Okay? With respect to theta, with respect din to theta, dv over d theta is equal to 2 kasi d theta over d theta is 1. Okay? So, dv over d theta is equal to 2. So, ito with respect din to sa d theta. Okay? Now, kunin na natin yung derivative of our function with respect to d theta. Function theta is equal to, using this formula, v du. Okay? So, ang v natin is ito, 2 theta times du over d theta, which is equal to negative 3 cosecant squared 3 theta minus u. Ang u natin is ito, cotangent 3 theta times dv, which is equal to 2. Okay, so all over v squared, i-square natin to, yung 2 theta natin, squared. Okay, so therefore, anong derivative to? F prime of theta is now equal to what? So, itong 2 magmumultiply sa 3. Itong 2 magmumultiply sa negative 3, magiging negative 6 theta cosecant squared 3 theta minus, unahin na natin yung 2, cotangent 3 theta all over. Okay, so all over 2 squared. So, diba that is 4. And then theta squared. So, that is theta squared. So, bale, the derivative of this function, cotangent 3 theta 2 theta, so that is equal to negative 6 theta cosecant squared 3 theta minus 2 cotangent of 3 theta over 4 theta squared. So, that's how we differentiate a function kung merong cotangent na kasama doon sa problem natin. Okay, so let's try another example. Okay, so here is our next example. Let's try finding the first derivative of cotangent of sine of x. So, di ba dito, using our formula again, ano yung formula natin? So, the derivative of cotangent u, so di ba that is equal to negative cosecant squared u times, i-derive pa natin yung nandun sa loob. Ito. Okay? So, therefore, need natin na kunin muna itong function na to. I-derive muna natin kasi multiply natin siya dito. Okay. So, ganon. Ganon yung plano. Sige. If we let u is equal to sin x. Kasi ito yung nandun sa loob mismo, di ba? Yan, no? So, yun yun. Ito lahat, yung u natin. So, kung i-let u natin yan. So, derive u, ano derivative ng sin? That is equal to cosine x plus or multiply by the derivative of the function x, yung nandun sa loob. Okay? So, itong dx, dalhin natin sa kabila. Divide natin dito, magiging siyang du over dx is equal to cosine x. Therefore, kunin natin yung derivative nito. That the derivative d over dx of y nito is equal to d over dx of cotangent of sine x. Okay. So, sabi natin, the derivative of cotangent that is equal to negative cosecant squared of u, which is our u is sine of x times i-multiply pa natin by du with respect to x, which is cosine x. Okay? So, dito yan. Okay? So, i-parenthesis natin para hindi nakakalito. Okay. So, therefore, our y prime now, or the first derivative, so diba, that is equal to negative cosecant squared of sine of x times, or pwede naman na unahin na natin yung cosine of x para di na masyadong nakakalito. So, cosine of x secant squared of sine of x. So, yan ang first derivative natin using cotangent formulas, or the derivative of cotangent. Okay, so thank you and have a good day.